ramp with me is the McLaren 720S with our catback ceramic exhaust. We often get a lot of questions from people via the website and on the forums asking, why QuickSilver exhaust for my McLaren? What's the difference between the stock exhaust or the factory sports exhaust? So in this video we'll aim to talk you through exactly what this system brings and why it's the ultimate soundtrack for your Mac. First point, this exhaust works with the stock tailpipes, and we know that's a requirement of a lot of the main dealers, particularly in the US, is that if they're going to go aftermarket, they don't want something that looks really aftermarket. So this car looks very stealthy from the back, exactly the way McLaren intended. Point 2. Valved or non-valved? This system is non-valved, and we feel that that suits the character of the car a lot better. We think the factory system, although it does feature a pneumatic valve, doesn't lend itself to a particularly progressive driving experience. They open and shut arbitrarily and just have a habit of stifling the noise. Whilst we delete the valves, we also supply a pre-programmed electronic terminator connector to plug into the valve harness, meaning this system is a truly plug-and-play exhaust and reversible to stock without a trace. Number 3, our 3-stage plasma ceramic coating. We apply this to the system in place of the heavy, unnecessary heat shields. Why are the heat shields unnecessary now? That's because this coating drops the surface temperature of the system by up to 110 degrees Celsius, which results in an ambient engine bay temperature reduction of 27.5 degrees Celsius. I'm afraid you'll have to do the conversion to Fahrenheit if you're the other side of the pond, because I'm quoting the temps here in the true measurement of the realm.